Hi guys, it's Matthew here from Kona Hyundai, and we're showing you how to connect your Apple CarPlay, your iPhone, or Android Auto with our 2024 Kona EV Ultimate. So first, we're going to open it up with our Bluetooth settings here for you. Next, we're going to go on our full touchscreen display here, going to setup, device connections. Of course, we have no previous devices. Add new. Then on your phone, you're going to simply click on Kona, pair with the vehicle. If you have also the options to allow contacts and favorites to sync up for this, I'll put don't allow. There you go. So it's all set up. And then of course on my phone, you'll give you the option to use Apple CarPlay. I'm going to select on that. Again, on the screen, I'm going to go with yes. Let it load, and there we are. You're gonna have your access to your music, Apple Maps, Google Maps, making phone calls easiest that just from looking at your screen here for you. To navigate through, of course, you can just click on a back button, or of course our menu button on the bottom left. So it gives you access to all your apps and applications here that are compatible with using with the 24 Kona EV. Sometimes guys, with the 2024 Kona EV, especially to our preferred trim, it will have a wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So to do that, you will need of course your mobile device. And of course, you need a approved USB-C cord. Simple as plugging it into your USB-C ports in front of you. Plug it in here for you. And then plug it into the other end for your phone there. It'll automatically connect up with your phone. It'll pop up, say, would you like to connect with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? And allow you to do that and have the same access and features that you saw previously on our Kona EV Ultimate.